Do you appreciate the environment? Do you love nature, balance, and peace? If so, you are eligible for funded facilitator training in the new sensory science of educating, counseling, and healing with nature, a sustainable life and livelihood program that engages you in nature-connecting activities through distance learning courses. Its online process enables you to increase personal, social, and environmental well-being. Although we are a part of nature, 99% of how we learn to think and feel is separated from nature's self-correcting and restorative powers. This disconnection produces many problems and disorders. Educating, counseling, and healing with nature provides you with the unique sensory tools to reverse this hurtful separation.
The idea of the psychology, especially as I practice it, is to have our inner nature or our natural systems inside of us get back in touch with the reality that they came from. See how that feels, and that puts it back together again.
There are other eco-psychologists and people who have come up with very similar ideas, but not with what they haven't come up with as a method. Mike just doesn't tell you to have a nice day, he shows you how to do it.
Backyard or backcountry, this program helps 53 inborn senses in your psyche to safely tap into nature's restorative ways and sensibly build healthy relationships. You learn how to create genuine moments that let Earth teach. Moments that recycle the mind pollution that often warps our thinking and prevents responsible change. Their long-established therapeutic techniques organically transform stress-related disorders, addictions, and abuse problems into constructive bonding with nature. This restores the purifying flow of nature's renewing ways in and through our mind, body, and spirit. Educating, Counseling, and Healing with Nature is an accredited course, career development, and degree program at Project Nature Connect at Akama University and Portland State University. Visit www.saneearth.com for complete information and grants.